Man down.
Now we are making progress. Follow me to the power station. Look, the final assault has already begun. With a little bit more of your sniper support, we are sure to be victorious. Captain Price, I need to ask...
Enough sniping! Where is the informant?
Something furious!
Where is he?
The house! The house of the northeast end of the village!
Well, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now go and sit in the corner.
So, Gaz, we've got to reach that house before anything happens to the informant. Let's go. So, get down here. Move!
Heads up. Tango's up front.